everybody!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to my channel, which is Nichibons. Today I'm going to show you a very incredible and beautiful hotel in ChanglaGali, and which is pretty famous, and the name is Hummingbird. Look! Guys, this hotel is too famous. Like, come on, look at this. Look how much people there are. This is so amazing. I've never seen a hotel which has this much people. It's incredible. Let's go check it out from the inside. By the way, guys, and if you still don't believe me, look at this. Like, how can so many cars be here? Like, come on, 3 bikes, a huge bus. Like, how many people could come in one bus? That's amazing. Look there. Come on. Let's check it out from the inside.
Come on.
Guys, let's go check out the inside. Come on. Oh, there's automatic doors.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Guys, look at the lobby. It's so beautiful. Even the cushion has their logo.
And chairs.
This is like a mini sitting area. Let's go check out more.
Come on.
Guys, oh my gosh, look at the dining area. It's huge. It's so cool. I love it. Look, they even have their mini kitchen.
And shop.
The lights. Guys, the lights give amazing vibes. Look, they even have their kitchen over there.
And shop.
Oh, there's like a little
And
toy
shop
shop.
too. Nice shop. It's the shop.
Everything's so cute here. I literally feel like touching everything here. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, I'm gonna get distracted. Come here. Oh, there's another little dining area.
Yes.
This is incredible. Wow, this is so amazing. No way. Guys, you know me, I always check views of every place. And this has the best view. Look how much fog there is. Wow, it's amazing. This is beautiful. Guys, how can you not enjoy your stay in such a beautiful place?
Yes.
Guys, if you haven't stayed here, you have to. This is amazing. If you're finding a comfy place or a place that gives really good vibes, this is the place.
Look at that plants.
This is so cool. Guys, now we're gonna check out the rooms. Come on. This is so cool.
Let's this room.
There's even a view from here.
Wow.
And my voice is echoing.
And
Wow.
window is open. Window is open.
The window is open. Guys, let's go downstairs.
Yes.
Oh no.
So,
Guys, there's actually no.
look at this.
This is amazing. This is so amazing. Oh my gosh, this is. Oh. Okay, this is the first room. No. I cannot believe believe my eyes.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. I literally cannot believe
Two
my
rooms.
eyes. How can this be so clean?
It's 2 rooms.
Oh, there's actually 2 rooms attached.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, these rooms are amazing. Oh my, this is so cool. Like you get a whole room to feel comfy, like really comfy. Let's go check out more things in this room.
A 2 cents.
Guys, this is just like for a big family. Like if two families are coming, they can stay.
2 cents.
Look, guys, look. There's even a balcony here.
Wow.
Oh,
It's so.
it's amazing.
Look at that.
Yeah. I really want to stay here. I can't help myself.
Look at that thing.
Wow, this is so cool. Like you have the view of the lawn, and then you have the view of the fog. Like there's almost every day there is fog here, which is amazing and incredible. Wow. I just feel like watching this the whole day. Like whenever you're bored and you have nothing to do, you literally can just come here, sit on these chairs, and then just watch. And then just watch the amazing view from here.
Yes.
Let's go check out more things. Guys, look at the restroom as well. It's super clean.
A bathroom.
Like when you're here, you don't have to worry about the cleanliness. And there's even menus here. And of course a kettle. Let's go see if they have more rooms to check. Guys, let's go check out another room. And all the rooms are same here. Like
Yes.
look, this room is same as well. Like the same thing.
And
Let's
same terrace.
Yeah, let's do a test, I meant. Everything is so comfy in every restaurant. I mean, every hotel. I always get distracted of everything. Let's go check out this.
Same terrace.
Like everything same. Guys, you actually never have to worry about like if you're staying in this room and you're like, the other room must be so beautiful, so much better. But you don't have to worry about the same. Every room has the same decor, same stuff, and the same balcony. Everything same. And you don't even have to worry about the views because every room has the same view. So everything is perfect here. You don't have to worry about anything. Like this, you don't need any problems here. You don't have any problems here. Just enjoy your stay here. Yeah, I really want to stay after looking at this room. Let's go check out the other part of the room. I almost fell.
It's a small room, this.
This is like an extra bedroom, which you don't get at most resorts. That means this is the best one. This is amazing.
And small.
Like I told you that you can even order your food from here. Well, you must be thinking, how? We don't have a telephone. Yep, you got that wrong. Because they do have a telephone. Let's go. So guys, that was all from Hummingbird. By the way, I'm sitting on my favorite color right now. This is my favorite color. So actually, that was actually all from Hummingbird. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.